Okay, so we have our solar panel right here collecting sun, and as you can see here, it's pulling in 30 watts right now. Hi my friends, welcome back. For today's video, we are looking over and reviewing this portable energy storage power bank. So this has MPPT solar energy charging. It's got a type C port, USB, LED, AC output, cigarette lighter, QC 3.0 power delivery. But let's go ahead and open this up. We got this to put in our Jeep Wrangler for different camping trips and just different trips that we go for. Okay, this is what it looks like. I love the nice sleek handle. It folds down in, but when you need it, you can pull it right up. Let's go over a couple specs. Capacity, 1075Wh, which is, oh my goodness, 336,000 mAh. Oh my word. AC charging is 850 watts. AC output 1200 watts. It can handle a surge up to 2000 watts. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, on the side here, we see the AC input. So if you want to charge this with a standard outlet, you would use this cable. You have your reset button right here. MPPT input. So you have input right through there for a charge controller. We have our light display right here. Couple modes. It's very nice and bright. Sleek logo on the side of it. On the front side, we have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful digital display. You have your power button right here. So you can press to turn it on and off. If you want to turn it off, you just press and hold. You have USB for turning the USB on, AC on, DC input. 1, 2, 3 USB ports, 1, 2, 3 type C ports, 2 AC outlets. Well, let's go ahead and test this out. So this is what it looks like when it's charging. Now this is charging with an outlet. It's charging. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is charging over 850 watts. That's incredible. So about 851 watts of charging power. That means it's going to charge this thing way faster than almost all other power systems I've ever reviewed. This is the fastest, highest charging power station I've ever reviewed. That's incredible. Now, if you want to turn on any of the ports, you have to press for USB. Press the USB button. It'll light up right there. Say USB. AC, press the AC button. DC, press the DC button. And yes, you can have them all on at the same time. Really nice. Now, let's go try and test out a solar panel with this. Of solar. So this is all free energy. Now we have that connected on the back with the MPPT port. We also do have these other ports as well on our panel. So we're gonna go ahead and see here. It's pulling about 31 watts. Let's go ahead and do it from the front. Okay. We could also charge it from the front with the DC port. We see we're pulling in about 46 watts. 48 watts. So it pulls in more power through the front, but if you want, you could charge one panel in the front and you could charge another panel with the back. So you'll just need this connector. That way you can actually use 2 solar panels. Now if you have panels that can connect, you know, multiple ports and stuff like that, then you could easily connect a bunch of panels, which is really cool as well. But look at that. It works excellent with the AC power. It works excellent with solar power. And that's just free electric, my friends. Free electric. This might be one of my most favorite power stations I've ever reviewed. Now, obviously, we're gonna have to test it out for a year. I would say about 6 months to 1 year. See how it holds a charge, see if it stays at its peak performance. But I'm really liking everything with this. And the fact that it can charge up to 850 watts means you could add quite a few panels on here. And somebody who loves solar panels, we have over 13 100-watt panels. This is gonna work great for us. Really impressed.